Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and at the cover of the box you will find another little white box here in it, so just remove it, and at the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just put it up to the top to release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, always the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. Under part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. So take now your SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want. Next to the main SIM card, you can enter a second SIM card here at the other side of the SIM tray. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to SIM 1, of course. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card now. But if you're turning the SIM tray, the first SIM card always will jump out. So in case, if you want to insert two SIM cards, start with the second one first. Okay, let's do that. So press it well, let's well insert it. And this is how it should look like then. So the SIM card is having a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top, as you can see. Okay, let's insert now the first SIM card again. Okay, and anyhow, if you have just one SIM card or two SIM cards, if you want to put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot, take care that the first SIM card is always on top. So to the display side, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.